A tornado of blood-sucking mosquitoes has blotted out the sun in the skies above Russia. Millions of the swarming insects could be seen in fast-moving pillars as they rampaged along the eastern coast of Kamchatka. Eyewitness Alexei, from Ust-Kamchatsk, said, "I drove through the cloud of these mosquitoes for several hundred meters. It wasn't a pleasant experience as I could hardly see the road. I didn't dare open my windows." Giant pillars of mosquitoes were visible everywhere I looked. I could see some of them breaking apart only to get back together into a new tornado. Would you be scared if you saw this many mosquitoes? Join the conversation below. Experts told Kamchatka Inform, a news organization in Russia, that locals should not worry about this swarming, which was a mating phenomenon. Entomologist Lyudmila Lobkova said, "These are male mosquitoes swarming around one of several females in order to mate. There is nothing wrong with this." The swarming male's mosquitoes do not attack humans, she added. Locals say they are used to such swarms, but they are worse this year. One report claims that repellents do not work on the blood-sucking swarms. Freak weather.